Hello children, today we are going to learn about the animals. What are the things we get from the animals? Now let's start. Hen. What hen gives us? Hen gives us egg. Hen gives us egg. Hen gives us egg. Hen and egg. Camel. What camel gives us? Milk. What camel gives us? Milk. What camel gives us? Milk. Milk and camel. Cow. What cow gives us? Milk. What cow gives us? Milk. Cow and milk. What goat gives us? Goat gives us milk. What goat gives us? Goat gives us milk. Goat and milk. Duck. What duck gives us? Duck gives us egg. Duck gives us egg. Duck gives us egg. Duck and eggs. What bee gives us? Bee gives us honey. Bee gives us honey. Bee gives us honey. Bee and honey. Sheep. What sheep gives us? Wool. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep and wool. Thank you, children.